This is my dining room in my 1-bedroom apartment where all the magic happens. This is my gaming setup. So in this video, what we're going to talk about is what equipment do I use, how much they cost, and where you can find them on a budget. Without further ado, class is now in session. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start from the ground up. We're going to talk about each piece, where I got them, and how much do they currently cost, and where you can get them. Shopping on a budget is key, especially when you're just starting out. You don't want to spend a whole lot of money early. So the first item we're going to look at is the table. This is called an L-shaped table, and you can get this table pretty much anywhere. I went to the Facebook Marketplace, so let's take a look at what they have on the Facebook Marketplace currently today. So here we are on the Facebook Marketplace. If you're not familiar with the Facebook Marketplace, it's basically an advanced version of Craigslist. Very easy to use. It's all people in your local area. When you're on your computer, there is a tab right there at the very top where you can just click on Marketplace, and then you see the search results. Right here I search for L table, and that way you can find all the items that you need. We're looking at anywhere between $25 to about 70 bucks, and it's really easy to use. I recommend one of these L-shaped tables because they have a space for your TV, a space for your computer, and a space for your PlayStation or whatever gaming console that you're using. It's really easy to use to transfer your content from your TV to your computer, so that way, or your gaming console to your computer, so that way you can easily edit your videos and upload them to YouTube and get the ball rolling. The next item we're going to look at is the chair, the gaming chair. You gotta be comfortable, but you don't want to break the bank with this chair. Let me tell you, I did not know how much gaming chairs and then office chairs in general cost until I went through this process, and it is unbelievable. So you want to definitely try to get the best price possible for your gaming chair. So all I did is I came here to Google and I Googled gaming chair. This is the exact chair that I got. I got it from Amazon, but it's this exact one, and I paid about $120 for it. I'm telling you, you can get good prices for these gaming chairs, but if you're not careful, you could mess around and pay something like this, okay, which is ridiculous. Like, you don't need to be paying more than 150 bucks on a chair, like, at all. And don't go into a store. Only order online. Like, I went to Office Depot, went to some of the other stores, and if you want to humor yourself and see how much chairs cost, some chairs cost more than a whole bed set. Like a whole bed frame, mattress, everything. Some of these chairs are crazy. So don't get carried away. Stay within your budget. Stay under the $150 range, and you should be fine. You have a nice game, because you want something still nice, because that's where you're going to be sitting for a long time, and you want all the cushion and everything that comes with it. So make sure you get something good, but don't spend more than 150 bucks. The next item we're going to talk about is the chair green screen. I absolutely love this item. It costs little or nothing, and it's so convenient, and it helps me out so much. That way you don't even get to see my kitchen in the background. So I can put whatever background, I can make me look professional, I can be in any setting. It's really nice to have, and I think it's a must-have. Now, some people have the big screen in the back, but if you're working with limited space like me, putting it on a chair and you can pivot and you can turn and you can put your camera anywhere you want, it's the best thing going. So let me show you where I got it from. Alrighty, and before I go on, I would love for you guys, if you're enjoying this content, if you enjoy my content during this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe so you can never miss any of my content, and hit that bell notification icon. Bell, blah, blah, blah. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Do what you got to do. Also, comment below, and if any equipment that you know of that may help, that you want to put your input in on this video, as well as any other questions that you may have and videos that you want me to make. I would love to make them. It's totally my pleasure to do it. You already know the goal. We all want to start making money playing video games. So let's do it. Let's work together and make this happen. So as you can see here, if you been paying, looking at the screen, this is a very cheap item. It goes from anywhere from $5 to $40. Now I recommend getting it from Amazon. It may cost a little more, but you may get it a lot faster. I ordered a $20 one from some random company, and I got it in like 6 months. I ended up buying the one I have now from Amazon, and it came in like 3 days, and I forgot that I ordered the other one, and it ended up coming in, and I was like, oh, so I actually gave it away to another gamer that was starting their channel. So it's wild. But yeah, they have plenty of them out there, so you just pick the best one that works for you. I believe this is the one that I have. Something similar to this one. It might not be this exact one, but something similar. But yeah, it's totally, I recommend it 100%. That way you don't have to deal with all the colors, and how people do all the decoration to their rooms and their background, which looks amazing. If you can do it, by all means, go right ahead. But this will save you a lot of time, and especially if you're just starting out and you haven't got to that point where you have a personal room for your gaming channel and you want to decorate all that stuff. Put the green screen up, throw any background that you want, and you're good to go. So the next couple items we're going to talk about is pretty self-explanatory, is the gaming console. So whatever you use between Xbox, PlayStation, or if you use PC, it's self-explanatory. Now if you use Xbox or PlayStation, highly recommend that you get an Xbox or PlayStation camera if you want to be on camera. And here is mine right here, and it's about $50-$60 at any game shop, GameStop, or you can order it off Amazon, and you may be able to find one cheaper. So the next two items that I got was a TV and my laptop. Now the TV I got for $50 off of the Facebook Marketplace. Someone was moving, and this is a older TV, older flat screen, but it works perfectly fine, and the screen comes out great. I love it. It's perfect for exactly what I need. And then I got the laptop. I went to a college campus and went to the used computer store and bought this laptop for $500. So 17 inches. It works perfectly. It had a lot of RAM and memory. I'm using it just for basically editing videos and doing stuff like that, so it works fine. Eventually I will upgrade to a newer computer, but it works just fine for what I need in the beginning of the stages. So the next item I got was a webcam. Now what I realized is that you cannot record your gameplay and record your face at the same time with the PlayStation camera. Now I don't know if you can do it on Xbox, but I know you can't do it on PlayStation. So what I had to do is I had to get a webcam to record my face at the same time while I was playing the game, if I wanted to do an actual recording and not actually go live. See, right now you can go live with the webcam, you can go live with the PlayStation cam, but you can't record. And I made a whole video walking you through how to record your face at the same time as playing your game without going live. So check out that video. I'll put a link to in the description below so you can check that out. But this webcam I got, and let me show you how much it costs. So this is the exact webcam that I got. It's called J5 Create webcam, and I got it from Best Buy for about $40. You can also get it off Amazon, Walmart. It works great. Like, I have no complaints. Like, whatever a webcam is supposed to do, it records my face and show it to you guys so you can actually see who I am. It works fine. I'm pretty sure there's some technical jumbo mumbo for a better webcam, but that's totally up to you. But if you want to get a webcam on a budget and you're just starting out, I do not recommend you spending all your money on the top equipment. That's just me. Because you want to make because once again, this is also a business. Like, we want to make money playing video games, so we don't want to spend the most money possible on all the top equipment before we make any money, because it's going to be hard enough for you to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just to get monetized, let alone having to shell out all this money in the very beginning. So, do what you will, but for 40 bucks you can get a nice webcam that works. So I don't want this video to go too long, so we'll talk about the last two items together, which is the mic and your ring light. So I think the ring light is important, especially for us dark-skinned brothers. We need that extra light so you can actually see us on camera. And then the mic, you just need something good enough so people can hear you without all the background noise. And here are the prices for both items. Now, microphones can get really expensive, but look, we're just playing video games. We're not singing. We're not doing any type of crazy performance. So all you need is something to where your audience can hear you clearly without a whole lot of background noise. So the microphone I got is similar to this one right here, the Torno TC77 Black, universal, adjustable, blah blah blah. Yeah, basically a USB plugs it in, so it plugs into your PlayStation and your computer. So if I'm recording off my PlayStation, like recording directly off my PlayStation, I use that to plug it in there and use that mic instead of the controller mic. And then if I'm recording on my computer like I'm doing now, I'll just plug it into the computer, and that's it. And like you said, you shouldn't spend no more than 30 bucks on a microphone for what we're doing. Next, I'm gonna just keep it rolling and let's go find the ring light. All right, so the ring light that I have is similar to this one right here. Actually, no, because the one I have doesn't have the little thing in the middle. Yeah, this one right here. Here we go. This is the one I got. So it's basically, it's not even that tall. It's just it sits on my table. It's just enough to shine some light on my face. It does have different tint colors that come with it. So, but it's only 20 bucks. If you look at all these, this is a good one right here. It's $12.95. It has the little tripod. It probably extends a little bit. So that's all you need. Just something to shine a little light on your face so it can be a little bit clearer, so that you can, the PlayStation camera or your web camera can actually see you in the flesh. So ladies and gentlemen, this will include this particular video. I hope you gain a lot of information from that. I hope I was able to help you out. Feel free to ask any questions down in the comments below. Go ahead and like, subscribe, hit that bell notification icon so you never miss any of the videos. If you ask whatever questions, and if I see that one's a question that more than one person could benefit from, then I will make a video and walk you guys through the total process. Well, you guys be safe out there. Don't drink and drive. Take an Uber if you have to. Class is dismissed. I will see you guys next time.